In a video I uploaded about a month ago, it highlighted a live edge table project that we were asked to do. Now, normally the project would be underway by now, but unfortunately the slab was not going to work for what the customer wanted. So we ended up heading back to the mill with the customer to pick out a new slab. That slab is now back in the shop and ready for the project to begin. In this video, I'll be walking through what you need to look for if you're going to pick out a slab and work on a project such as this. This advice will save you lots of time, money, and certainly headaches. I've been there, I know. For the full video, please check out our YouTube page, My Woodworking Life. Thanks for watching.